Hi. The camera's like in between the drawer and the drawer, then the other drawer. Yeah. Went to Red Robin's today because we had coupons because of my birthday. So I'm 17 now. I could seriously have just this Red Robin's chicken and their ranch they have for the rest of my life and be the happiest person ever. So good. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. I hit the button. I'm hitting the button. I swear to you, I'm hitting the button. It was my birthday on the 25th. Matthew Brian Brown, or Swift with Roddy Chop. He did a live show. And I kept like spamming. I was like, it's my birthday on Wednesday. Tell me happy birthday. And he did. And I was ready to film it. I was filming like for a really long time. Then I clicked over to my Facebook tab and then he told me happy birthday and I freaked out because I missed it. But I was still excited that he said it. But so this is the footage I got from that.
I know. It's so weird.
Yeah, pretty fail. I don't know, that made my day. Like, it did. And then he kept reading stuff I was saying, and I was like, oh my god. I'm so obsessed, it's not funny. I hit the button. I did, because I don't want to eat in front of the camera. I'm hitting the button. Jackie got me these shorts, and I am in love with them. And today, I got a dress for my senior pictures. And some cute bras, but you want to see my dress? Ooh. Button down! It won't go when I hit the button. I got this dress and this necklace. It's so cute. I don't know, I like it. But like squarular. School's starting up next week, but I don't have to go on the first day of school to my first 2 hours since they're at another school, and I'm excited because I get to sleep in, and then my first class is with Jackie, so whenever I get dresses, it always makes me want to go on a date, but no one takes me on dates, so yeah. Depressing. But if you want to take me on a date, I could probably arrange that. But I might not want to because, you know, I don't know you. He's like, help me, I'm an ice cream. It's a dinosaur. And I'm like, oh damn. You guys have a good day. I need to pick this up. Bye.